Terrorism is the common enemy of all humanity. To live like a normal human being is a God-given natural right of everyone. The perpetrators of terrorism are individuals and cannot represent any nation, region, or religion. Uyghurs in East Turkestan have been suffering from terrorism for years. Some people in other countries could have been persecuted by an individual or a group, but the people of East Turkestan are the victims of state terrorism. Yes, for years, the dictatorial, brutal and tyrant Chinese state has been massacring Uyghurs in East Turkestan with state terrorism. China has been trying to cover up its genocidal crimes against Uyghurs and its ethnic assimilation policies by relating Uyghur cause to international terrorism. It is absurd to portray Uyghurs as perpetrators when Uyghurs do not have freedom of movement at all. However, human rights organizations around the world have described the Uyghur resistance in East Turkestan as protests against Chinese oppression. Arbitrary arrests, unfair trials, torture in prison, extrajudicial killings, and the persecution of Uyghurs in millions and detaining them into concentration camps are just a few of the Chinese state's atrocities against Uyghurs. The Uyghurs are a peaceful, generous, just, and civilized people. Uyghurs love democracy and are keen to have a liberal lifestyle. China is conducting state terrorism against the Uyghurs whilst trying to portray them as terrorists, and it is nothing more than hypocrisy. We call on all conscientious people in the world to stop China's state terror in East Turkestan.